Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark from video without blur through AI. So the process is very simple. First of all, pick any video that has watermark. For example, I am picking this video. Now go to this website. The URL will be available in the description. So what you have to do? If you are willing to sign up, you can create an account. Otherwise, simply click on upload and then upload your video. Now select the part which you want to erase. For example, I am willing to erase this watermark. Now click on remove. Now it takes a bit time. After completing, you can simply click on download preview. So the video is now downloaded. Let's check it. It's looking perfect. Share your review about this in comment. And that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.